Nestled in the hills of St. James is a rising co-educational institution, the Cambridge High School, which opened its doors in 1976 to serve students living in southern St. James and sections of Westmoreland and St. Elizabeth. Recently, a flurry of skills and talents were on display at the institution for the first staging of the Cambridge High Expo. It was held under the theme, Cambridge High School Meeting the 2030 Vision, showcasing skills and academic excellence.
We want to rebrand Cambridge High School as the school of choice for vocational and academic subjects.
The purpose of the expo really is to showcase what is happening in the institution to the public. It is always viewed that the negatives come out, but the positives don't. So we want to showcase the work of our students and hope that while doing that, the wider public will get an understanding of just what is happening between the walls of this institution. We are also hoping that students will draw motivation from what happened here today.
The expo activities kicked off with motivation from government officials and other stakeholders.
I am beautifully made, and I will be the best I can. I don't know if you recognize what you just said to yourself and the pledge you made in the presence of all persons here. But I want you, as students, to buy an exercise book, and each day you will look at that book and say that this book is full of all my potential.
As you move along in the grades from 7th to 11th, you will realize that careers are evolving. But in recent times, persons have been moving towards being a cosmetologist, a plumber with a degree, an electrical engineer with a degree, a barber, a dressmaker, and these are careers that are evolving. What you can do to be ahead of the game is to do your research.
Talk aside, the expo provided the perfect opportunity for students to browse and see what suited them.
Jungle set up shop, Maxfield set up shop, Balro set up shop, Chisley set up, Seaview set up shop, Southside set up shop, man and young man them get together and a Pilana set up shop, Hawaii set up shop.
For those more scientifically minded, the young Einsteins got to work and displayed their skill set. And for those who wanted to train to be the next Usain Bolt, they were on the mark. All this and so much more were displayed by the Cambridge High School students. Oh, and one more thing.
I strongly believe that Expo is really a good idea since the students and the teachers of Cambridge High School can use this as an opportunity to showcase their talent.
And that they did.
I'm a past student of this institution and now serving the capacity as vice principal. So it is really a pleasure to have put on a function like this to showcase what the institution has to offer to the students in the community and the wider public at large.
I felt very excited about this expo because it is very educational and Cambridge High School can show what they have learned.
You're watching JIX, the voice of Jamaica. Stay in tune.